There's no denying these are unique times. And one of the biggest challenges will be the shortage of a consistent, reliable workforce. A deficiency that will have a significant impact on manual processes, including pallet labeling. Between the recent pandemic and volatility of the workforce, the challenge is only going to be greater. At Domino, we're meeting these challenges head-on. Introducing the NS100, a labeling solution that intelligently automates production. Through innovative design, simple integration, and streamlined processes, the NS100 eliminates operator error, increasing throughput and revenue. It all starts with the core design of the applicator. Labels are applied and scanned in a single sweeping motion, eliminating the chance of the swing arms getting caught in stretch wrap, resulting in higher reliability and more effective label placement. Because it's automated, the NS100 reduces potential risks from production, from manual entry errors to accidents associated with operators moving in heavy traffic areas, providing a critical step to your end-of-the-line process. With simple and quick consumable changeouts, straightforward operation, concise interactions, and a longer printhead life, the NS100 delivers a revolutionary lower total cost of ownership. The world is changing, and Domino is changing with it by providing reliable, innovative automation.